All good to go. Scatter charts are there. If you are looking for any ratio to be shown, let's say x-axis, y-axis. Let me take x-axis as x sales, y-axis as a profit, and detailing as I'm looking for detailing in terms of customer ID. It will show me a scattered chart. Again, if you want to filter on, you want to get a drill down on the based on category, you can drive the category on the legend part. I'll create a group. So you can see the colors. Furniture is in dark blue, office supply is orange, and technology in bluish. So depending on case, if you say size to be controlled, I say size to be controlled based on what? I say size to be controlled based on quantity sold. So it look like bubble chart. So wherever I have a small sale value, I can get the higher sale, so higher quantity sold, I'll be getting larger balls. You can get a minimum to get it's all, yes, it is been changed. So you can change based on your case. If you are looking for average to be there, you can take average. For a size per se, it automatically arrange your bubble chart accordingly. Axis and axis, other things you can change if needed. Otherwise, it's good to go for me. You can change values. You can show values. Even if you are not looking for show the size, you can anytime you can remove it. So I was okay with the earlier values. That good to go. So you can go filter, or you can formatting. You can go for legend is there. So let me show legend in some more readable font. Yes, furniture, office supply, technology visible. Data colors are there, which is already being selected. You can change if needed. Shapes are there. Shape size you had already set. If you want to increase or decrease, you can take a call. And marker you can change if you think this ball are not good for me. I want square to be there. You can change the square. Categories, labels, I'm not looking for currently. Title is there, so I can do customization title part. The rest is common for all charts. That's my scatter chart, which I created based on profit and sales by customer ID. Let me take the other one.